Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will make granny's crochet. To realize this, I'll make chain of 6. Then come over here to the last one, the first one, sorry. I have a ring which is formed. Chain 3, yarn over, chain 2, it will look like this. So we'll have the first stitch is counted, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, then again chain 2, and repeat the same sequence. Okay. Chain 2 again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, one more to go, and I'll see you how to lock the stitches. Here, this is I should get. So to lock the first chain, pull through the yarn, this next one, into a first space to make chain 3. Now in each of the spaces I'll repeat the same sequence. Chain 2, the same space, see, then I chain 2 again, and repeat in the same second space here 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. So see you at the end. Yeah, so I am back here, so I'll do one more round with you. So in the beginning we made chain of 6, then we made double crochets, but the first one I said would be counted, so we'll make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and so on. Then the first round, because this is the basic, the first round we'll make 2 double crochets each with a chain here with 2, so we'll have corners. You can see we have 1 corner, 2, 3, 4. We have another corner with only double crochets, and we'll have single spaces in between, so we'll make 2 double crochets with chain 2, then we'll chain 2 again, 3 double crochets, single ones, then 2 double crochets with chain 2, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet with chain 2, 3 double crochet with chain 3, chain 2, sorry, and 2 double chains here. Okay, so I'll continue here. Okay, chain 3, yarn over, chain 2, there, see, okay, chain 2 again, yarn over, and here we're going to work only 3, no 2. see. So chain 2 again, the same space 3 double crochet, chain 2 again, now chain 2, and right over here I'm going to work 2 double crochet with chain 2, okay, in this space. Chain 2 again, same space, see, this is what it should give. So we have our chain 3 here to start, then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, then each of the single spaces will make 3 double crochets, right, with chain 2 the sequence. And here when we come to these corners, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So I'll see you to the end and I'll show you how to fix the knot here. Yeah, so here, see, so when I come to the end, what I'll do is go through up the first stitch, scissors, it's done. And here it is. So the type of yarn I've used is a multicolor yarn. It's Alize, and I have not joined any of the yarn colors. As I showed you, I'm using a multicolor yarn, and this is a very soft yarn. You can buy in any local grocery or shop online. So this is how the results come. So we have our 2 double crochet with chain 2 in the middle, then 3 double crochet with chain 2 in the middle. So we'll continue the same sequence, but this is the basic. The basic is chain 6, then we'll make double crochets with 3 of them, chain 2, 3 double crochet. The first chain is to be counted. Again we make chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, but these are my rows of 1 2 3 4 5, and this is what it's going to give me. We have 1 2 3 4 5 corners, and if you make it larger, the result it's going to give you, I can see, but it's a very big one. This is what it will give you. So you can use this for decoration for your sofa, your laptop, or your TV, or wall hanging, whichever you prefer. So this is it for today, and I hope you like my video. So like, share and subscribe, and see you again in my next video. God bless everyone.